Hi everyone, it's episode 4. My name is Hung Tran, talking about pantry ingredients. Welcome to Rolling Fun. So for rice pepperoni recipes, now let's see what I have in my pantry. So there are rice papers and sauces, and there are noodle vermicelli. Now I borrow them to show in the Rolling Fun studio. Okay, now let's go. Hi everyone, back to our Rolling Fun studio. You see, all of these items are non-perishable. You can buy them for rice pepperoni recipes and then store them in your pantry. Now look at this. It's a soy sauce, fish sauce, and hoisin sauce. It's sauces. So for rice pepperoni recipes, they are the most popular 3. Fish sauce is authentic flavor. You like it once and you like it forever. But what if you don't like fish sauce? There's the other options. Like Tintin, one of my lovely sons, he goes with soy sauce. And this sauce also good for vegetarian and good for vegan. So hoisin sauce is quite general. For everyone, it's a good option to know. Now we move to the rice paper. These brands are the most popular. You can find them in many Asian food stores, in IGA, Woolworths, Cones, and more. For sizes, there are 2 majors. The normal one, 22 centimeters. And the smaller one is 16 centimeters. The normal one makes the normal rolls. And the smaller one to make the smalls. If you have Vietnamese friends, they might give you rice papers without any friends. And these are often made by hands. So the last item in your pantry is the rice noodle vermicelli. There are many available out there in IGA, Cones, and Goonleys. To cook it, just follow instructions. It's quite fast and easy. And it's the end of this video. Please subscribe to Rolling Fun channel. You can watch the other episodes for other topics that you want to know. See you next time. Bye bye.